engineers had a life support system for a moon station about 85% finished, then NASA canceled the station. Paragon Space Development laid off 70 workers across Arizona, Colorado, and Houston. The cuts actually hit on August 11th, and they were mostly engineers. Their job was the air, temperature, humidity, carbon dioxide, the system that made a spacecraft livable for people. They were building it for Habitation and Logistics Outpost, or better known as HALO, for the module Northrop Grumman was designing for the Lunar Gateway station. That subcontract was worth over $100 million when it was signed in 2022. NASA's Inspector General says HALO's cost had climbed to $1.9 billion by the time the program ended in March. Now, Paragon CEO Mark Greeley called it the hardest decision the company had made in 33 years. He'd been in the job less than a year after working in Houston for Boeing, KBR, and Axiom Space. If you've been to Space Center Houston, you've actually walked past a full mock-up of what HALO was supposed to be. Northrop donated it in 2024. The real one is never going to be built. Meanwhile, NASA is pushing hardware to the moon ahead of Artemis IV in 2028. Intuitive Machines, Astrolab, and Lunar Outpost are all testing here. And in June, the Texas Space Commission voted to start asking what this state can actually do on life support. The engineers are here, the hardware exists, so what should Houston be building next in order to push this project forward?